Because each day is a great day to get outside and play, this week on Grasshopper Home we're sharing some of our favorite rainy day activities. Playing in the rain provides new and exciting experiences that contrast our normal environment. Feeling the rain fall on your skin, smelling the air, measuring rainfall, and splashing in puddles all promote cognitive development and sensory learning. Use markers to draw designs on paper. Place the paper out in the rain and watch to discover what happens. You can try this activity with coffee filters for a compostable option. Have fun and be sure to stay hydrated whether you're playing in the sunshine or the rain.